All right, I'm super excited to dive into how to use your 24/7 AI powered business assistant to boost your average service ticket. So, we dove into how to use add ons to boost our service ticket. But today we're going to dive into what's an easy, high value add on that increases the retention rate for my clients? I know that's an interesting question. So let's dive in. You're going to go to getliquid.ai, try for free, and you're going to create an account. Once you create your account, you're going to be coming to the home screen and you're going to click over onto your AI business assistant. And then what I love is it says, "Hey, my beautiful person, I'm your salon business assistant. How can I help you slay today?" Yes. Okay. So we're going to just type in here what we're wanting. What's an easy high value add on I can offer with, let's say, my haircut that increases my average, I'm not going to say average service ticket, that increases my client retention. Let's see. And within seconds, it's going to answer something based on what you have. To encourage you with client retention, consider these strategies. Every fifth visit is 10% off. Encourage pre-booking with your clients. Leave an offer of incentive to raise your average service ticket. Think about strategic add-ons like scalp treatments, deep conditioning, customized treatments. Pair services together in a way that enhance the client experience. For example, a gloss will add shine and seal your color. Do you want me to add that to your service today? To keep you looking fresh, I recommend coming in every 6 weeks. Let's schedule. So, with that being said, I would recommend complimentary scalp treatments with essential oils. It's a high value, low add on, and can increase your average client retention. It's easy to implement, and clients will appreciate the extra attention and care. Now, let me tell y'all, I was a salon owner and I had an amazing team. And one of the things that we did that was a huge client retention booster is everyone got a deep conditioning treatment with their service. Now, because I knew my numbers, that was included in the price, but it was advertised as a add-on luxury thing that everyone gets. So once you dive into the pricing calculator, if you haven't, you will know exactly how much it costs you per minute, per day, per hour. So you'll be able to add on add ons that really aren't costing you anything. So if you have not had a chance yet, go over to getliquid.ai, click the try for free button, and meet your 24/7 AI powered business assistant. Remember, y'all, every day is a new opportunity to slay. Peace and love, y'all.